magaba na yung sapuan niya.
Hey guys, it's another day for our practice. We're so tired, but we can get those freaking steps, and I don't know where we're gonna stop this. Oh my god. Let's go! Let's go watch them! Guys! Dito po ako ngayon, I mean kami, kung saan nagpa-practice ang aming acoustic band for our performance this coming Friday! Yeah! Practicing, and yeah. And here are our rivals! The Legal Wife, Monica and Dico! Ang dakilang kabit! Kabit? Kabit.
Joke lang, I'm Faye Manuel Algapas from 7 Viber.
I'm Game Bryce from 7 Viber at your 7 Viber. That's fun. And we'll play at the Ultra Bar.
The practice, hard or easy and why?
It was easy for us because the lines are short.
What will you expect about your performance then?
Expectation, maganda. Kasi
Siyempre, pinaghirapan niyo yun eh.
perfect ang tandem namin.
Yeah! Message for the audience and fans. Yeah!
Enjoy!
Abangan ninyo si Lolo.
Bra!
Lolo Jose.
My name is
Dan!
Daniel JP Ramos and Mike Irvin M. Tan.
Yeah.
We are the 7 Viber dancers.
Dancers? Ayan na. Okay. How was the practice? Hard or easy and why?
Sa una, nahirapan kami dahil hindi kami makaisip ng mga aming step na gagawin. Pero nung run, nakaisip na kami kaya naging mas madali.
What are your expectations for your performance this coming Friday or tomorrow?
We expect that our performance will be loved by everybody.
Yeah! Messages for the audience and kung meron man fans, sige lang.
Binabati ko po pala yung mga
Mga nagkakakrush pa sa kanya. Wapo niya, di ba?
naman ako di.
Message!
Yung message.
Kaya, message. What's the
Message
message?
talaga.
Message me ay
Yun lang
We hope that you still love them, Jen.
Love our performance and love
Mayroon.
us. Okay. That's something.
O sige, bye! Bye-bye! Tawa.
Patpat Aquino, and kami ang member ng
Juliana.
acoustic band.
Okay, yes.
So,
How was the practice? Hard or easy and why?
level lang. Average. Level lang kasi minsan hard and minsan easy kasi we're on the right track.
Yeah. Bakit may right track?
Level lang. Next question.
Okay, sorry. What are your expectations for your performance this Friday?
Good performance. Awesome. Cool. Right.
Debak.
Yeah.
Aja. Your message for your audience and
Guys.
fans.
Guys, please enjoy our... Don't be bored, I'm sure. Bored? Sure ako na ma-enjoy ka mo sa presentation me, lalo na sa presentation me. Enjoy ka mo.
Good luck, Aja.
Ayla Berinia. I'm one of the noisiest girls in 7 Viber, according to teachers. Yeah.
What are your preparations for doing the props in this activity?
Yun po, nahirapan po kami sa una, pero average man po kasi gumawa po kaming border para sa TV, tas naghanap pa po kaming kawayan para mapatayo po yung TV, and pinabili pa po nila po ng tali.
Okay, thank you. Aja.
Isabel Natividad,
Isabel.
floor manager.
Yeah? What are your contributions for this group and What will you expect for this performance?
The floor managers helped in little ways and they also helped making the sets. What I expect from their presentation is that it'll be amazing, awesome.
This is kinda so nose bleeding. Oh my god. Really? Thank you. Yes, Aja.
Hi! I'm Camille Pelanio as Nicole.
And I'm Dun Kyla P. Flores as Monica.
And we are the cast of The Legal Wife.
The legal wife.
How is your practice? Hard or easy, then why?
Hard. Hard.
Why?
Why?
Mahirap magtuom.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung time na sa lapakan. Mahirap. Nasasaktan si Camille.
Ayos lang po yan. Okay. What are your expectations for the performance?
Awesome. Yeah.
Tama na yan. Hala. Personalan na yan. Personalan mo na.
Oh my gosh!
Magpapatalo ba ako?
No way. Tama na! Message! Message na!
Message for...
Message!
This is really SPG, Strong Parental Guidance, and
Tama na.
Tama na yan!
Yo, okay. 나 혹시 몰라 경고하는데 잘 들어 지금 위험해 So dangerous 자꾸 나를 자극하지 마 나도 날 몰라 숨이 자꾸 멎는다 네가 날 향해 걸어온다 나를 보며 웃는다 너도 내 입에 끌리는지 눈앞이 다 깜깜해 네가 뚫어져라 쳐다볼 때 귓가에 가까워진 숨소리 날 미치게 만드는 너인걸 아무도 널 못 보게 품에 감추고 싶어 우리는 시선들을 향해 일어나 거센 소용도 없니 그림자 내 안에 깨어나 널 보는 눈에 불꽃이 든다 한 명 곁에서 모두 다 물러나 이젠 조금씩 사나워진다 나 으르렁 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 내 나 으르렁 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 내나 으르렁 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 내너 물러서지 않으면 미쳐도 몰라 날 이선 눈빛과 베일 듯한 긴장감 지금 탐색 중이야 너의 주위를